If you try to install Linux on DeX using Andronix, which is actually quite easy to do, you will run into an issue now. If you click on Ubuntu, install, choose the version, then the desktop environment, and copy the commands. You copy them here into termux. You will not find the data anymore because the server that's in termux for the repository is down. So the Grimla or the bin tray don't exist anymore. You have to go to enter the command termux change repo. It will ask you to change the repositories. You have to do it for all. You have to do it for packages, game packages, and science packages individually. Then you get the offer for the server. The termux mental, the Grimla SE don't work anymore. I used the cube terms, I think. You do it for this, I think it's albatross, yeah, that's right, the albatross. Then you do it, it will check it, you update the repo, and then you copy the command, and everything will run smoothly. We'll check for the server, mirrors, and it will do so. Quite easy. And that's it. Everything will run again like in the video before.